And this time, of course, I had the chance to see it in real, and by having a very well organized visit here in Xiong'an, having different presentations and site visits. And I must say the most impressive was the construction site. We visited the new station also for high speed, and LRT subway is being built. Totally a 25 kilometers long construction site and very large in size. I have seen many construction sites in China in the last 20 years, but this is probably one of the biggest I have seen so far, so this impressed me most. For me as a Swiss citizen, to see such a construction site, such a city which has been built in only 7 years, in Swiss terminology, this is to be considered as a miracle, because it's almost unbelievable that such a big plan gets realized in such a short time, right? So from this perspective, I could call it a miracle. The green concept implemented in this area was quite astonishing also, I must say, in terms also of energy supply. We have learned about different renewable energy sources. Xiong'an is already applying photovoltaic, then geothermal energy, then also hydro-based energy, and of course already quite many buildings following the green building standards. So I think Xiong'an can be considered to be an urban laboratory where new innovative projects can be applied, and therefore I think the cooperation between Switzerland and China could be a good chance for Xiong'an. I think this is an area where Switzerland has quite some know-how to share also with the Chinese partners in terms of technology, in terms of conceptual approaches, and in terms also of different aspects of materials, energy supply, mobility, smart grids.